Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia C31. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, confirm with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. So let's start with swipe, none. Now let's select swipe. Next let's select pin, that must contain at least 4 digits. Then let's select password, that must contain at least 4 characters. And in the end, let's select pattern. Once it's done, we can go forward and select biometrics like fingerprint and face unlock. Let's start with fingerprint. So let's unlock this menu. And now simply tap the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now we can use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, set up face unlock, tap start and simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the lighting in this room, I can't scan my face right now, but basically you put your face in front of the front camera, scan it, and then while the screen is locked, you'll be able to unlock your phone using your Face ID. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.